A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Befriend the Body Clock, a path to circadian health. Ladies and gentlemen, for millennia, human existence has been synchronized with the rhythms of nature. The rising and setting sun dictated activities and rest, while seasonal cycles shaped biological processes. Yet, in an era of artificial lighting, 20 by 7 connectivity, and relentless demands, modern life has drifted from these natural rhythms. This detachment comes at a cost. The circadian clock, an internal timekeeper embedded within every cell, governs metabolism, cognition, immunity, and longevity. When disrupted, the effects extend far beyond fatigue, contributing to chronic diseases and mental health disorders. Circadian health is not a wellness trend, it is a fundamental pillar of human vitality and resilience. At the core of this system lies the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a cluster of neurons in the hypothalamus that interprets light signals and synchronizes peripheral clocks in the liver, in the heart, gut, and other organs. This intricate coordination is driven by circadian genes regulating sleep, digestion, hormone cycles, and cellular repair. Disruptions to this finely tuned mechanism through shift work, inconsistent sleep patterns, or excessive artificial light have profound consequences. A 2024 study published in Frontiers in Neuroscience reveals that chronic circadian misalignment accelerates cellular aging, impairs glucose metabolism, and increases the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Research from Northwestern University further highlights that inadequate exposure to natural light during the day and excessive artificial light at night contribute to obesity, metabolic dysfunction, and mood disorders. Schools and workplaces designed with insufficient daylight exposure may be unintentionally undermining cognitive performance and long-term health. Ancient wisdom has long recognized the power of temporal alignment. Ayurveda's Dinacharya daily routine synchronizes activities with solar cycles, while traditional Chinese medicine charts the organ body clock, prescribing optimal times for digestion, detoxification, and mental alertness. These ancestral principles, once considered philosophical, are now substantiated by modern chronobiology. Recent scientific advancements corroborate these age-old insights. Studies on time-restricted eating suggest that confining food intake to daylight hours optimizes metabolic function, reduces inflammation and enhances cognitive performance. Likewise, chronotherapy, timing medication according to biological rhythms, has been shown to significantly improve treatment efficacy, with statins yielding the best results when taken at night. Let's examine the role of the sun, light as a neurobiological elixir. Beyond serving as a celestial timekeeper, sunlight exerts profound effects on human biology. Morning exposure to natural light stimulates serotonin production, enhancing mood, focus, and emotional resilience. As daylight fades, serotonin is converted into melatonin, facilitating deep and restorative sleep. Photonic energy also regulates neuroplasticity, circadian gene expression, and mitochondrial function, underscoring the sun's indispensable role in overall well-being. Research indicates that workplaces and schools should integrate strategic light exposure, a crucial yet often overlooked factor in public health. What's the way forward? A proactive approach to circadian alignment can yield profound benefits. First, maximize natural light exposure. Begin the day with sunlight to synchronize internal clocks and enhance cognitive function. Second, maintain consistent sleep cycles. Fixed sleep and wake times reinforce biological stability. Third, time meals with daylight. Align food intake with solar rhythms to optimize metabolic efficiency. Fourth, limit artificial light at night. Reduce blue light exposure in the evening to prevent melatonin suppression. Fifth, incorporate ancient wisdom. Ayurvedic and TCM principles offer practical guidance for harmonizing daily routines with natural cycles. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the circadian rhythm is not merely a biological mechanism, it is the foundation of health, resilience, and longevity. Aligning with its wisdom fosters vitality, while disregarding it invites disorder. As ancient traditions and modern science converge on this truth, the path forward becomes clear. Circadian alignment is not a luxury, it is a necessity. In the words of Hippocrates, healing is a matter of time, but it is sometimes also a matter of opportunity. That opportunity lies in embracing the natural rhythm of life, where true health and well-being await. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.